Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how this train works. I'll start it right now. Yeah, it moves all by itself, like when I stop it, it stops, but you don't know how it stops. When I move it backwards, you don't know how it goes backwards. But if I move it forward, you don't know how it moves forward. But watch this. See how simply, like when I turn it off by this bell, it simply stops and this light turns off. And when the noise is on, the noise simply turns off. But, okay. Out the way. Light. Just open. Save for the option, guys. Just, oh good. Now it can work. I'll show you how the train is going like. The train is going by this remote control. Simply on the back. Look. It's so odd on the back. Okay, fine.